Okay, salamat irandai. In chamo the red. A channel kana a channel local tech media. So local tech media it is well known for graphics and lyrics making. Today I want to introduce something new. Piano teaching. Manatu yen keyboard a boy Piooc. Achana goranda gola bi. So tiranda betan in a ben local tech media channel. Chana go be Piooc. Imbo Piooc kitchen ginyich. A good bar I want to kinya senior. So alo kula tweng abu golf afresh abu gol bu keyboard bu lew nyin bula tweng ichine lo yada kwe koy gol to no pa kana batoya now tiran dit ken kalu subscribe kakor balu subscribe ku good notification button ago chen video to ngilo miss to te work video ago lessons bena go ke ayo so no rande le badai man brande tinga guru ku jel gay rante very dangerous loide so kana bu pyo in ba dangerous ada lon bini china loy so alo ko tweng mia kanong specific areas when ben work ya taken so one of which okay chol transpose imbu pay transpose until ba transpose banye secondly okay chol flexibility ba flexible ba good ba china taw china ko ba very fast flexibility kana ale ben kanong chol fingering lon bini china loy ago keyboard ngo nye gura pet kichi gutech. Another thing, one of the melodic and harmonic content. Lon bir melodies always play kanong harmony. Kaka key areas when bukalo tako. Ale ben. Gulben waka golmia. Abu gola ke chol introduction. Kubulo chords. Anong ko quick chords. Inga changde anong chol naming of keys. Keys bukalo rename. Because I no rande jaman ke key. A keyer. Kene ke chol. So ke kiza ke ting la ano ren ken kan yal jala ka pin ren ken abu ke pyo yin ku jala chords window thin a good anong de be chol scale so imbu pyo scales what scale is suitable for playing what chords are suitable for playing we shall do that so you just need to stick with us together kuboloi together so share like and share the video biranda bela ting nale ken wake